Question number 1. Which of the following is considered a physical environmental factor affecting health? The right option is option A, noise. Question number 2. Which of the following is a biological environmental factor? The right option is option C, bacteria and viruses. Question number 3. Which of the following is a social environmental factor contributing to health? The right option is option A, overcrowding. Question number 4. Housing conditions, water supply and sanitation are categorized as. The right option is option A, physical factors. Question number 5. Poor nutrition, poverty and illiteracy are example of. The right option is option C, socio-economic factors. Question number 6. Which of the following is not an environmental factor influencing health? The right option is option D, genetic inheritance. Question number 7. Air pollution is an example of. The right option is option B, physical factor. Question number 8. The presence of mosquitoes in an area is an example of which environmental factor? The right option is option A, biological factor. Question number 9. The main environmental factor contributing to the spread of malaria is. The right option is option D, mosquito breeding sites. Question number 10. Which of the following best explains environmental sanitation? The right option is option B, control of physical, chemical and biological factors of environment. Question number 11. Which of the following is a cultural environmental factor? The right option is option D, dietary habits. Question number 12. Which is considered the most important environmental factor for good health? The right option is option A, clean drinking water. Question number 13. Which of the following diseases is mostly influenced by poor environmental sanitation? The right option is option C, cholera. Question number 14. Which of the following social factors has the strongest impact on health? The right option is option A, education. Question number 15. According to WHO, which of the following is included in the social determinants of health? The right option is option D, access to education. Question number 16. The most common indicator of water pollution is. The right option is option C, BOD/fecal coliform. Question number 17. The most effective environmental intervention for controlling vector-borne diseases is? The right option is option D, elimination of vector breeding sites. Question number 18. Repeated exposure to industrial chemicals is most strongly associated with? The right option is option B, lung cancer and occupational lung disease. Question number 19. Noise pollution is least related to which of the following? The right option is option D, vitamin D deficiency. Question number 20. Which of the following is a direct health effect of climate change? The right option is option B, deaths due to extreme heat waves. Question number 21. Which of the following does not fall under the scope of environmental health? The right option is option A, purely psychological analysis of human behavior. Question number 22. The first step in solid waste management is? The right option is option B, reduce, reuse, recycle and segregation at source. Question number 23. What is the purpose of ergonomics in occupational health? The right option is option A, to fit the job to the worker. Question number 24. The main purpose of adding chlorine to drinking water is? The right option is option D, disinfection. Question number 25. Noise level is measured in? The right option is option C, decibels. Question number 26. What is the major source of indoor air pollution in South Asian households? The right option is option A, burning of solid fuels. Question number 27. In environmental health, BOD stands for? The right option is option A, biochemical oxygen demand. Question number 28. Which of the following is considered a biological environmental hazard? The right option is option D, virus. Question number 29. Which gas is the main indicator of indoor air pollution from tobacco smoke? The right option is option A, carbon monoxide. Question number 30. Which environmental factor is most directly linked to dental caries prevention? The right option is option B, fluoride in drinking water. Question number 31. Safe drinking water according to WHO should be free from? The right option is option C, pathogenic organisms. Question number 32. Which is the most common vector-borne disease worldwide? The right option is option A, malaria. Question number 33. The minimum distance of a latrine from a drinking water source should be at least. The right option is option D, 30 meters. Question number 34. Which physical environmental factor is most associated with eye strain in students? The right option is option A, poor lighting. Question number 35. The father of environmental health is considered to be. The right option is option D, John Snow. Question number 36. Which disease is most associated with contaminated water supply? The right option is option A, cholera. Question number 37. Greenhouse effect is primarily caused by which gas? The right option is option D, carbon dioxide. Question number 38. Which is the best method for disposal of hospital infectious waste? The right option is option B, incineration. Question number 39. Which is the most effective method for checking air pollution from vehicles? The right option is option D, use of catalytic converters. Question number 40. Which disease is transmitted by sandfly? The right option is option C, leishmaniasis. Question number 41. Which disease is commonly linked with consumption of water contaminated with arsenic? The right option is option A, skin cancer. Question number 42. Which gas causes depletion of the ozone layer? The right option is option D, chlorofluorocarbons. Question number 43. Which disease is strongly associated with overcrowding and poor ventilation? The right option is option A, tuberculosis. Question number 44. Which chemical is commonly used for disinfection of wells? The right option is option D, bleaching powder. Question number 45. Which of the following is a greenhouse gas? The right option is option A, methane. Question number 46. The term blue baby syndrome is caused by. The right option is option D, high nitrate levels in water. Question number 47. Which aspect of the urban built environment directly benefits health? The right option is option A, green spaces and walkability. Question number 48. Which group is most vulnerable to the health effects of air pollution? The right option is option B, children elderly, pregnant women, and patients with heart lung diseases. Question number 49. Which of the following is an occupational cancer hazard? The right option is option C, asbestos exposure. Question number 50. Which disease is most directly associated with poor hand hygiene? The right option is option A, hepatitis A.